Hey, welcome to my channel and also to my first ever YouTube vlog. My name is Sam and in exactly 24 days I'm going to start a completely new chapter of my life. You might be wondering what do I mean by that, so let me tell you. I have just recently graduated university with a bachelor degree in engineering physics, and like most students I was thinking, what's next? What should I do in the future? And 2 years ago I had this really great experience with my best friend on my 1-month trip to Thailand, and there I really enjoyed like the tropical climate, because compared to here only 2 to 3 months are quite warm, the others are quite cold. So yeah, that was very nice. And then also the culture, the people that are so friendly, and yeah, also the food. They really seem to know how to live life. So yeah, that also pulled me back in the following year. For 6 months I spent time there again during my studies, and yeah, that really sparked my love for traveling and also exploring. So I have decided that I will continue on traveling instead of entering the workforce right away. So I will be jobless for the start and have infinite holiday, so you can say. But I will also do some online freelancing work. And especially now, these days, with AI getting more advanced and advanced, I was also wondering how it's going to impact the way we all are going to work. So especially white-collar office jobs are going to be impacted by quite a lot. And yeah, maybe also the monetary system, so how we all are getting paid if AI can do so much. So yeah, I would say it's like now or never, because we never really know, because of the uncertainty, what's going to happen in the future. So yeah, that's why I decided to also start this YouTube channel and share it to you guys, so you can enjoy, maybe feel inspired. And I will start traveling to mainly Southeast Asia and East Asian countries for the start, and later on maybe also to others. We'll see how it all goes. I'll keep you updated. So yeah, feel free to join me, and bye.